Tell me, talk to me, talk to me, yeah. Shake your body, come on, shake your body, come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can Joseph any longer. Feel the pulse getting stronger. Don't you the beat, you do the conga beat. Oh yeah, you know this one. Tonight we're gonna take a chance to get out on a town. We don't need romance, we're only gonna dance. We're gonna let our hair hang down. The best thing about being a woman is our prerogative to have a little fun. Oh, too crazy. Forget I'm a lady. Bad shirt, short skirts. Look what you're doing in style. In the action, in the traction. Go my head to what I tear. I wanna be free and to feel the way I feel. Man, I feel like a woman. Wow. It's our prerogative to have a little fun.
You can tell the world you never was my girl. You can burn my clothes when I'm gone. Or you can tell your friend just what a fool I've been and laugh and joke about me on the phone. You can tell my arms go back into the front. You can tell my feet to hit the floor. Or you can tell my lips to tell my fingertips they won't be reaching out for you no more. But don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't think you understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, it might blow up and kill this man.
to last around years. So bring you good times and your love or two. We go and celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure?
Everyone around the world.
Come on!
Been running so long, I've nearly lost all track of time, never direction. I couldn't see the warning signs. I must be losing it, 'cause my mind plays tricks on me. It looks so easy, but you know, look sometimes to see. Been running so fast, right from the starting line. No more connections. I don't need any more advice. One hand's just reaching out, and one's just hanging on. It seems my weaknesses just keep going strong. Everybody, come on! Head over heels, where should I go? Can't stop myself, out of control. Head over heels, no time to think. Looks like the whole world's out of sync.
Been working so hard. I'm punching my card. 8 hours for war. Oh, tell me what I got. Got this feeling, time just holding me down. I hit the ceiling, or else I tear up this town. Gotta lose, pick up the Sunday shoes, please.